Haiper AI, how to use Haiper AI review. In this video, we're going to be going ahead and using Haiper AI and seeing how you're actually supposed to use it. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Haiper.ai. And once you come over to their website, they're going to say, welcome to Haiper. Either create video with text or animate your image. So you get two prompts over here. Let's go with create video with text. Now, once you come to create video with text, what you're going to do is you're going to select the subject in your video. Now, you can either input your very own subject, like let's say I'm going to add in Rambo. Okay, so Rambo is the subject in my video. Now, once you do that, obviously you're going to need to go ahead and create an account for yourself. So to create an account, you can either continue with your Google account or you can add your very own email, even use your Discord to sign in. I'm going to use my Gmail for now. So as you can see, once you continue with the whole sign up process, what it does is it brings us here. Now, as you can see, it says your video is being generated. All I did was added a Rambo prompt. And while your video is being generating, you can actually come down here and see the different videos created by different users. So this person added one image and they made that image into a beautiful video. Then this person added a prompt. Now the prompt is tilt shift of a pirate ship's battle on open sea in bright daylight with giant squids. So as you can see, they go on and on with the different generations that are to be seen. And obviously, this is basically Hyper AI. This is what they provide to you. And you can also see Hyper AI's different, insinuations. You can see it's totally free. They don't ask you for any money when you're using it, transforming your vision into reality, where you can reimagine the future. Now, as you can see, content creation by pure imagination, by obviously writing down any prompts that you have. And it's pretty simplistic, it's pretty minimalistic. You can also go ahead and join their beta versions if you want to. But yeah, basically, that's the main idea of how you're going to be using Hyper AI to go ahead and create any type of content that you like for it. So yeah, basically that's the main idea about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.